Don't you know, it is getting old.
Hey guys, what is up? I just went to go see my mother-in-law and right now I'm about to go to the Chinese store to get some goodies because I've been craving like Asian food like crazy recently, and I went last week but all the stuff that I bought is already gone, so I'm gonna go to get some more stuff. And I'm also gonna go see my daughter because she's been staying with my sister-in-law for the past like nearly a week now. Like with the whole coronavirus thing, she's just been like really bored of staying at home because we don't really go out. But with my sister-in-law and my husband's niece, they go out quite a bit, so she's been staying with them. And anyway, let's go to the Chinese store and get some goodies.
Later.
Oh, my daughter, my peachy bam! Peachy bam! C'est pas ma meilleure tête. See? Big Belle. Look at her new boots. They're humongous. I went to the Chinese store, I got a lot of stuff. And I brought her clothes because she's gonna stay here a little bit longer. And I'm gonna make some noodles for my sister-in-law and my niece. Outfit of the day. Oh, Mimi!
Mickey?
T'as même pas appuyé. Grave. I missed you, baby.
Étage 1.
And I just whipped up some food for us. This is just the appetizers, some pao and some dim sum with a little bit of fried garlic on top. And over here we have some soy sauce, and this is for my niece because she is only 8 years old and she doesn't like garlic. And then I'm gonna make us some Thai soup, well, some noodle soup. Well, not really Thai because I don't have all the ingredients for it, but we'll do with what we have. Good job, Aya. Bravo. Okie doke. So I'm just preparing the soup. This is our soup, and then I'm gonna cook the pasta, which I have over here, in here, with the soybeans and veggies. And then this will be our garniture with some fried garlic I have somewhere. Cook the pasta. The water is nice and boiled. I'm just gonna throw everything in actually. Then throw my shrimp in here. I always cook the shrimp last because it's so quick and you don't want to overcook the shrimp. And this is really quick as well. This is such an easy, quick meal if you guys ever want to try. I'll list the ingredients for the soup below. Fished out all the noodles. I'm gonna cook the veggies, which will be really quick as well, and turn up the heat for this so that everything is finished at once.
I was in your mind, searching for lips, searching for truth. I couldn't let you go without a request or even a task. I don't know where to go. You've been my shelter for too long. No one else was watching us. You and me, we were in love. Every single day we passed, I felt
Amazing. Hello. And Shasha won. This is Shasha. You can totally see her boobs. It's Bijiba. Okay, let's do this. Combien là? 8 ans. C'est bon? Come on, Shasha. Hurry up.
Oh my god.
So we just went to Nfoye and got some African food. What is this called? Chip? Chip with chicken. And this is mafi, which is like a peanut butter sauce type of dealio. I don't know. I have to try it out with some white rice. But this smells amazing. So the kids and I are at Primark right now. And I found this jacket. It is so freaking cute. The only thing that I don't like about it is that there's no pockets and the sleeves are actually like mega long. But then again, I have very short arms because I'm short. But when I rolled it up, it looks nice. I don't know. I wish they had a pocket here. I love the fact that there's actually coronavirus in Paris, well, around Paris, because things are so nicely and neatly arranged because there's not that many people here. Normally there's like so many people here and everything is just everywhere and not neat, you know? So this is so great. I love it. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? That's cute. They have so many house decorations. Oh, I love this orchid. It's so pretty. It's really, really pretty. I actually went in this section because everything smells so good. Well, not everything, but there are so many things that smell so good. Apparently this one smells really good. Clean cotton. Oh my gosh. It does smell really good. Oh, look at all the baby stuff. So cute. It's for the future baby, like Camila said. Oh, so cute. Born in 2020. Yes, he or she will be born in 2020. Oh, it's so cute. Winnie the Pooh. Des plus d'un bébé, hein? Oh, look at all the baby shoes. They're so cute. They are so tiny, you guys. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at what I found. Mornings are for coffee and contemplation. That's for her. The day I had my appointment with the gynecologist was the day France was officially under confinement, which started at 12 p.m. The night before my appointment, I was extremely anxious. I was sort of scared. I didn't know what to expect. We weren't officially in confinement, even though my town or our little area where we live was asked to confine ourselves, but it wasn't official. And they announced it on the news that night that the whole entire country would be under confinement. And I was just scared that my appointment would be canceled, that I wouldn't get an ultrasound, I wouldn't get to see my baby. But thank goodness everything went well. We went to our appointment and we saw our little nugget in the ultrasound, and the doctor really reassured me, saying that our baby was normal, everything was doing well, and that he or she has 2 arms, 2 legs, 2 eyes, a nose, and he checked everything. We did try to find the gender of the baby. Unfortunately, he or she was being shy that day, so we didn't get to find out, but it's okay. We will find out sooner or later, and I honestly don't mind whether I get a boy or a girl. I have both, so as long as my baby is nice and healthy, I'm just extremely grateful. And yeah, I can't wait to meet he or she in the near future. Oh, look at my little nugget moving. It's so cute. But yeah, we are extremely happy, and it's a tough period right now, but I'm sure everything will be fine soon. We just need to stick it out and work together. And please, you guys, stay at home and listen to what your government is asking you to do, because most likely they just want the best for everybody. They're doing their best to save as many lives as possible. At the beginning, people didn't take it very seriously. I didn't either. But now, seeing how many deaths there are in France, the number is just getting bigger and bigger. We just have to try our best to do whatever we can and stay safe and stay healthy, you guys. I've never seen the aisles so empty. Well, there's still some stuff there, but all the meats, they're gone. Crazy.